In the subject alternative dispute resolution, the first role play is an interview. Students are asked to participate in relation to the party known as the interviewer, and the second party is the interviewee. In essence, the interviewee is an employee of the interviewer, and an issue has arisen and there's a necessity for the employer to interview the staff member to sort out a conflict, a dispute that has arisen. The students have an opportunity to participate in a role play as to the difference between the power associated with the employer and the other power position, a lesser position, being the employee. And so they undertake a formal interview process. They learn the meet and greet, they learn the appropriate body language, they learn the appropriate opening and closing of questions to obtain information to assist in coming to some sort of mutually agreed resolution of the dispute. This is the first phase within the overall unit, leading on to negotiation, then leading on to mediation, with a final conclusion of the final role play in arbitration. Alternative dispute resolution involves the proactive engagement of parties in alternative to going to court. Part of the process of ADR involves negotiation. And the students in this role play play a position of party one and party two. There is a dispute in which party one has a particular set of instructions and party two has a set of other instructions. The respective parties are not aware of each other's confidential instructions, and they participate in a negotiation trying to get some sort of mutual and agreed outcome. The third person, the third student, is the observer. He or she plays no active role in the negotiation, but observes what party one and party two is undertaking and provides valuable feedback at the end. Even though both students give feedback to each other after the negotiation, they do so from a perspective of individual bias, from the role that they play, whereas the independent observer sees the world differently. It's similar to the analogy that I ask all students to see the sunrise. Each student sees the sunrise differently. Each negotiation is seen differently. When the students participate in this, their learning outcomes, their understanding of negotiations take a deeper learning from the fact that they've actually undertaken a real life role play. And so students participate in an action learning environment by way of an example of blended learning in action. Thank you.